Hi, this is the Pixel tab and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. The first thing which you will see, this is the volume panels, media, coloring, identification and alarm volume panels. So just to change the volumes, you should swipe to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panel. Here we get also the don't disturb mode. We could turn it on and turn it off to allow some messages, calls and notifications from many people's apps, to set the shadow, to change the duration for quick settings, and to display options for hidden notifications. Also, we could activate and turn off the live captions to identify songs playing nearby. Just to do that, click on the switcher. To show the media player, to pin media player, show media recommendations on the lock screen, and show media on lock screen with the help of the switchers. We could also switch notification and alarm sounds, and to activate and turn off screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, docking sounds, and touch sounds with the help also with the switchers. And in dock speaker place, we could use all audio or media audio only. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.